That's fine. Okay, yeah, Three Ways Till Sunday, coming at you live. Night Owl Cafe, you know, hey, yeah.
We need our microphones. Microphones?
Oh, okay.
Oh, thank you.
All right. So for our next game, we're going to be playing a game called Sound Effects. It's fantastic, it's wonderful. What's going to happen is our two wonderful troupe members, Morgan Flack and Brian Glick, will both be acting out a scene. We're going to choose two lovely audience members.
Can I choose one?
You can choose both of them.
I'm going to choose you. Wait, who spilled their drink? Yeah, I'm going to choose you.
Oh no, you're totally doing it now.
Yeah, he's doing it. My foot's wet. And,
Keep explaining.
So what's going to happen is that these two lovely audience members are going to be making all the sound effects for every single thing that Morgan and Ryan act out. So we're going to need can we have an occupation?
Occupation.
Occupation.
Your dream job. Not all at once. What's your dream job?
I heard
Prostitute, taxidermist. Taxidermist.
Alright, quick practice, guys.
Yeah, so I'm pulling a bar.
Oh, yeah, okay. That's definitely helped. That's what I
Check.
Alright, check in. Alright, Emma, you get your side, you get to the side. Come over here. Come to the side, guys. It goes. Okay. We've got 30 deer we gotta do today.
Oh,
deer, okay.
God, 30 deer, that's crazy.
Bring my wheelbarrow.
Whoa.
Oh!
Oh.
Wheelbarrow from the circus.
That sounded haunted. Squeak. Wait.
Oh, that's squeaky deer.
Point.
Oh, there's a blood gushing out there.
Oh my God.
I'm really fast.
I'm gonna cut its stomach open, okay?
Okay, do it.
Knife. Wait a second. Knife. Thank you. All right, I'm gonna chop this deer open.
Key.
Boom. Well, what are we gonna do with all these guts?
We gotta put them in the gut pad.
Oh yeah. Get the hit. Let me pick them up.
Okay. God, this is disgusting.
Oh, this is so awful.
Oh no!
Holy cow! They
I
all.
think the bag ripped. Yeah, it did. Just put on our boots and we'll be fine.
Okay.
Put on our boots.
Excellent.
I'm gonna put you in my boots. Okay.
All right. Well, we're gonna have to stuff these because we are taxidermists,
Stuff,
right?
what do we use? Fluff?
Yeah.
It rhymes with stuff.
You're right. So, oh.
I gotta oil that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Boing, boing.
Oh, we have to go big? Did I go big? Whatever.
Here we go.
Okay.
All right. Man, this stuff tastes great.
Yum, yum, yum. No.
Oh, I just
My stomach is telling me that you like that. Well, let me pick the deer up.
Okay. Right now, we got our guts out.
Yeah, well, you stuff it with bells. That's the sound it makes.
Oh, did you hear that? Not sure what that was. Forget about it.
Okay. All right. Well, we're gonna need some sort of I don't know, hose or something to fill this giant deer.
Yeah. So here's a hose, but it's not connected to anything.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, thanks, fellows. I appreciate
Oh, yeah,
it.
okay.
Now I'm just gonna put it. All right. Wait. Let me put it in, okay?
Oh, you punctured it.
I thought there was a hole there already. Whoa! All
I
right.
think it's coming out.
Oh, it's definitely coming out.
Oh, it's coming out of it.
Oh my God! All right.
I think it's done.
I think we ran out of fluff. Okay. We're gonna have to sew it back up, okay?
Okay.
Let me get out my giant sewing needle.
Okay, I'll need my giant sewing string.
All right. needle here. You're just gonna have to thread it through, okay?
Okay.
Ouch!
Boy,